The larva has come out of its egg. After 3 days, the larvae that are inside the eggs hatch. The larva comes out of each egg. The larvae stay inside their cells. They are looked after by worker bees. The larva is being fed. The worker bee feeds the larva to make it grow. For the first 3 days, the larva eats royal jelly. For the next 3 days, it feeds on pollen and honey. Where do the larvae stay? The larvae stay inside their cells. The bees have covered the cells. After 6 days, the larvae have grown enough to fill their cells. The cells are sealed with wax by worker bees. Now the larvae turn into pupa. The pupa is turning into a bee. The pupa rests in its cell. Many changes are taking place inside the pupa. After 12 days, the pupa will become a bee. When does the pupa become a bee? After 12 days, the pupa becomes a bee. The bee is coming out. The bee chews through the wax. At first, the bee is very soft and its new wings are wet. Older workers share their nectar with young bees until they are ready to find their own food. What does the bee look like at first? At first, the bee is soft and its wings are wet. The new bee starts to work. The bee's first job is to clean empty cells. It climbs into the cells and cleans them carefully. The clean cells can be used for new eggs. What is a bee's first job? A bee's first job is to clean empty cells.